How to add story highlights on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add story highlights on Facebook step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, simply scroll down or there you can just tap on your profile name. And after that, on the profile section, what you can do is simply scroll down and go to the story highlights. And now here, once you are in the highlights section, what you can do is just tap the plus icon, and after that you can simply choose the stories that you want to add, and after that you can just tap on next. And now here on the next page you can add a title, choose a cover photo if you want, and once you're done with it you can just tap on save or done, and after that your story highlight will now appear on your Facebook profile. And that's it. That's how you can add story highlight on Facebook. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.